So I am not a fan of this nozzle. It's got mechanical parts, it's slow, it's gonna break. The old Eco spouts from RotopaX that I had broke. Hopefully this one's better, but I did 3D print a spout for when that one inevitably breaks, whether it's through a fit of rage or through actual mechanical failure. So this one's got 6 1/8-inch holes, and then it's got, I don't know how big that oval opening is now. It was a 3/4 inch circle, but I flattened it, so it's a little bit less than that. So it works just like the old water spouts that RotopaX used to sell, but those yellow nozzles that RotopaX sells do not fit the gas stuff anymore. That used to be the old trick. You get one of those, they held up in gas just fine, and they weren't all this weird eco crap. So I made my own vented one. It's short, it'll fit inside that flame arrestor if you've got it in there. And this is, I should say, this is only for the newer RotopaX. So the ones that have that white filter thing inside the neck to stop flame propagation, this will fit inside there. This base is the right size. It will reuse the gasket off of your spout. It will reuse this sealing cap off of your spout, and depending on what material you use, should be just fine for fuel. I have not tested PLA in fuel. I've been told it's been holding up okay from other people. I have not verified that. I do know that nylon is supposed to have really good chemical resistance, and so is PETG. So maybe soak this in a little thing of gas for a week or two to see how well it stands up. But I just wanted to let you know that I have the print available. If you want me to print one for you, we can work something out with shipping and everything, but otherwise it will be on Cults 3D under LapCheck, which is like a forum name I use, but I'll put the details down in the description.